Hello, can you hear the silence around me? Well, that's the sound of life during COVID. This is how it is. I hope you are all well and safe. We are here today to get to know the authors I'm going to be introducing to everyone. I hope you are hanging on during this phase, remaining sane, trying to stand by your loved ones. I'm telling you, it's not easy when we have someone sick, especially like senior people in the family. It really hurts because like you see their pain and you cannot be with them, you cannot give them the support needed. Anyways, this is interview number 2. This is why we are here, as I promoted it. And today it's not about me and my books. It's not about where is my angel. It's not about mommy, I am a pacer. Today is about a rising author. As we started last week, we're getting to know new authors. So, being an internationally published author, an active blogger, and a social media advocate, my followers are real. I want everyone to know that my followers are real. And I believe in working together via different means to provide and see change taking place with fellow authors. During the confinement, as you all know, I launched my iChannel on YouTube, where I conducted over 60 interviews with different people from around the world. And those guests, they were with me to entertain the audience, to keep them busy during the confinement, to promote their online businesses, and raise continuous awareness about different topics of their specialty. And here is where the idea came about, to this time to introduce the authors and where they come from and what's their message, what is their message through their book. Therefore, I invited the authors to join me with simple interviews to introduce them to the world and help them get their voice heard, in the hoping that one of the clicks will be the magic wand to their success. Today, I want you to join me to congratulate Tracy Fletcher on her book, Feminine Shades. Don't forget to like the post, follow my iChannel on YouTube, where I will be putting everything there as well with the links. Don't forget, if you get a chance to read her book, to write a review on Amazon. We need to help all authors get heard and remain active. Tracy Fletcher, her book is available on Amazon. It was published in September 2020, which few months back, and the publisher is the Phoenix Award publication. Let's get to know Tracy together. I hope I'm gonna pronounce her name correctly. Tracy Chisoba Fletcher. She's born to a British father and a Nigerian mother. She lives in Lagos, Nigeria. She's an author, international award-winning writer, columnist, voiceover artist, and editor. She won the Afritondo Alternative Ending competition in 2019 and has a short story, Trudy's Hustle, published on their platform. Her novella, The Chase, was shortlisted for the Phoenix School Writing Contest. She was recently awarded best-selling author by the influential writers and authors community. She's the author of Feminine Shades, the story we're going to be discussing. Her story, The Feminine Shades, is about 7 short stories. I'm going to keep the synopsis about the stories a mystery and encourage you to read. The 7 stories titled Rising from Ashes, Uneasy Lies the Head That Wears the Crown, E. Gobita on the 28th, Yellow Pow Pow, My Doppelganger, and Ada. I asked Tracy to give us a word from the heart to the author, to the reader, to tell them something that what she would like the reader to know about her books. And her answer was, Feminine Shades is a collection of 7 short stories central to the female gender, depicting the inward strength and courage of the female protagonists. Each story has a message, both for the male and female gender. It's time for the silent voices of the woman folk to be heard. It's time for the men in our lives to really see what we endure on a daily basis. It's time for a woman to be respected, supported, and loved. It's time for change. I couldn't agree more. I thank you, Tracy, for your trust, sending me information about your book. Audience, Tracy Fletcher, the author of Feminine Shades. I invite you to find her book, and don't forget to follow my iChannel and the blog, and we keep in touch. Take care.